Oh, Domino's. Who doesn't like Domino's? Wait a minute, if you don't have this at home, okay, you'll buy it in online. Oh no, during this lockdown, you can't buy it in online. Just wait a minute, I have a solution for it. So the solution is Origami Dominos. So today we'll be learning how to make easy origami dominoes. So you need a square sheet of paper. Let's get started. So you need a square sheet of paper. First, we need to fold it in half. We are not supposed to crease it fully, only at the edges. Only at this edge, we need to open now and turn it 90 degrees. So you see, the line is now here. Similarly, we need to repeat here and open. So now we have two creases here. You can see this flap. We need to fold it towards this line. So now we can see this flap. We need to fold this towards the center line. Turn over and you can see this flap. We need to fold it towards this line. And open. Again fold it towards the center. Turn over. And see this flap, right? We can fold it like this. So now we can see that over here there's a small line like this, right? So this is the part that is going to go inside, that is, which is not going to be visible. So this pocket, we need to insert it. Now we need to fold it like this and crease it well. And now open. Our easy origami domino is ready. This is seamless, meaning that it has no other creases on the faces of the domino. And also you can carry this easily. You can just fold it like this and then you can just keep it wherever you want. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.